Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury fashion and menswear. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Hugo Boss, Hugo Boss, Hugo Boss, Hugo Boss. This German brand is particularly known for its impeccable tailoring, luxurious fabrics, and versatile pieces that transition seamlessly from business to leisure. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hugo Boss, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.